The investment tool can be found within the My Money tab. From here, click on Investments. Here you will see a list of all the investment accounts you have aggregated to the platform. Click on any of these accounts to see a further breakdown of the investments within them. Click on Allocation to see a chart of your investment types, and click on any of these categories to see a breakdown of the investments within them. Hover over any subcategories or use the list at the right to see the specific amount of each investment. Use the % or dollar signs to switch between the percentages and dollar amounts of each of your investments. Click on Analysis to view a grid of your investments groups into categories based on evaluation and market capitalization. You can also view a chart of your bonds based on duration and credit quality. Click on Filter Accounts on any of these screens to include or exclude any of the accounts you've aggregated to the platform.